Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the essay All About the Dog by A.G. Gardiner. Now, as we studied in the previous lecture, that this essay is based on a seemingly comic incident, but it gives a very serious message. Now, the setting of the essay is in a bus. A lady is traveling in a bus with her pet dog, and the conductor asks her to go upstairs because a pet is not allowed in the bus. So, yesterday we studied that lot of chaos and confusion is created, and the lady is asked to go upstairs, but she refuses, but the conductor is adamant. Now we'll continue with the essay. When the lady saw that the conductor was adamant not to let her travel in the bus with the pet, she decided to go upstairs. When she disappeared, the triumphant conductor blew the whistle and the bus started. At that moment, the lady came back. The conductor again stopped the bus. The same struggle resumed again. Ultimately, the lady had to go upstairs. So, in this way, we can see that ultimately it was the lady who had to give in, and she had to follow the conductor's command. She had to go upstairs because the conductor did not agree at any case to consider her condition, and he said that she has to go upstairs. In any case, she went, but it was very chilly. She came back, but the conductor again stopped the bus, and then she had to again go upstairs, and then the journey was completed. Now, the writer of this essay, he who happens to be one of the passengers of the bus, he was a witness to the whole incident, and he observed everything, and he was the last one to get down from the bus. But he felt that the attitude or the behavior of the conductor was not proper. The writer was watching all the developments with patience. He felt that the attitude of the conductor was not right. It was true that he was observing the rule, but one has to have a human attitude while imposing rules. Some rules are hard and fast. They have to be applied in a strict manner. But there are certain rules which can be applied keeping in view the immediate situation. The lady was asked by the conductor to go upstairs on a winter night as pets were not allowed in bus. He could have had a more human approach and allowed the lady with a warning. As the writer was getting off the bus, he told the conductor, "Rules are necessary things, but there are rules and rules. Some are hard and fast rules, like the rule of the road, which cannot be broken without danger to life and limb. But some are only rules for your guidance, which you can apply or wink at as common sense dictates. Like that rule about the dogs. They are not a whip put up in your hand to scout your passengers, but with, but an authority for an emergency. They are meant to be observed in the spirit, not in the letter, for the comfort and not for the discomfort of the passengers. You have kept the rule and broken the spirit. You want to mix your rules with a little goodwill, good temper." In this way, the basic essence, the theme of the essay comes through in these lines, that rules are made for the betterment of society. Rules have to be followed, but there are certain rules that can be followed with a bit of humanity, keeping in view the situation. Something which does not violate the spirit of the rule, and at the same time it allows for the betterment of humanity. So, in a very interesting way, the writer has made his point, a very serious point, through a very comic situation. And then the writer says that he hopes that the conductor took his advice in good spirit, because he was all smiling and nodding. So the writer hopes that maybe the conductor got a bit of a message from what the writer told the conductor. So this was the essay all about a dog. I hope you've enjoyed this essay. So that is all for today. Thanks.